We had some difficulties with the client to understanding the technology, so the challenge was really demonstrating the benefits of the 1040-100 gig infrastructure.
What we want to try and do when customers visit the lab is really make sure they understand the fundamentals of the technologies that they're looking at and really make the right product choices.
We want to make sure that what is stated from a technology perspective does do what the customer expects it to do when they do the deployment at their site. We've seen it quite frequently where customers will deploy solutions using multiple manufacturers, and for some reason it doesn't work.
The challenge of changing the client from a Category 6, Category 5 type copper infrastructure to a 1040-100 base infrastructure was that the client was in a 30-plus-year-old data center, and they had decided to build 2 new dual data centers. Because they were in a copper infrastructure, it was very difficult for them to understand the advantages of moving to a 1040-100 fiber-based solution. That's when I contacted Anixter.
Before we sell a lot of technologies, we'll vet those technologies in our lab. And I think that's a key thing because we really know what that solution will do or that technology will do before our customers know and implement it within their facilities. And we'll help them troubleshoot the problem and solve that need for the customer.
The change from 1040-100 was significant, and part of that was gaining an understanding of the 40 gig connector and how we utilize that in the technology, either up or down. But as we walked through this with Anixter and also with the selected vendor at the time, we looked at this and decided that the 40 gig solution was right. The lab offers you an opportunity to actually look at how the devices work, how they marry to each other, how they interact, what the pixel rating is. You get to operate them and actually see them in real use. So there's no mystery when you get them in the field.
One of the things we try and do is really demonstrate various technologies in the various markets that we're supporting. So the first area that we have here is our data center demonstration area. There we can look at physical infrastructure systems that would be deployed within a data center environment. So we're looking at structured cabling systems, we're looking at power distribution systems, we're looking at cooling solutions. So really anything that you would need from a physical infrastructure point of view or perspective would be shown in this demonstration area. The second area of the lab is really in support of our physical security initiative. So we have a large 4-panel display where we can show different types of video management systems, really showing the benefits of going to a digital recording system. We can also bring in various camera streams from different camera types. As we start migrating to more IP-based systems, you have the ability to do high levels of integration between these subsystems. So the ability to exchange information across your access control system to your video management system to maybe a process control system within your factory floor. This provides really customers huge benefits in the ability to quickly adapt to changes in what they're doing within their environment and react quickly to security breaches.
So at the end of the converged infrastructure project where we had nearly installed all the 1040-100 architecture, we were short on some components and we weren't aware of it, and it was delivery time. So Anixter and Advanced Cabling Systems together, they went out. Anixter sourced across the United States, sourced pre-terminated lengths for us, brought them in. Advanced Cabling Systems installed those and then met our delivery date, and without Anixter, it just wouldn't have gotten done.